Hey guys, I'm at work and I'm doing a mukbang, talking quietly, but if I'm interrupted, I'm sorry. I am at work. I'm eating chicken sandwiches and pumpkin soup. Already been interrupted. Personal conversation.
Wow, it's getting busy here, isn't it? It's a big patch. Yeah. Just a wee bit.
Also have a latte.
There's not space.
I do like cold
So
chicken.
you can have hairs. We'll put hairs aside for it. And that'll take 3 off. Slide. Slide.
It's really quite noisy, isn't it?
Slide. Who reads signs?
Oh, pardon me.
So many of them. Can't read them all. Rude.
Yummy. Pumpkin soup. Now that it's cooler weather, I can have warmer things. My nan made me the soup. And I got shouted a latte at work. It's really like in the background at work. I think it's cute stumbling over the chicken. So today I was at the hospital getting a test done. Nothing overly exciting. My steam's fogging up my glasses. Thank you so much guys for the love that you gave me in the last video. I really enjoy it and I love commenting back with you guys. It's just so much fun and it's what makes me keep doing it. Like, people might think mukbang is weird, but I actually really enjoy doing it. But then I'm a little bit weird, so. Like, I try and cater as best I can for different tastes. Like, people like eating sounds, ASMR. Don't know if I'm that good at that yet, but I'm trying. And people like it when I'm talking because of my accent, because I'm Australian. And also some people like burping, weirdly enough. There's all kinds of things on YouTube. Yummy. Chicken fell in. Do you guys like it when I do this at work? Because I can do it. I don't mind, and they don't mind. So just somewhere different. That's the chicken. Look how hot that is. Pardon me. So really busy morning, like not doing a whole lot really, but like, you know, when you've got appointments and stuff like that. And then I've got work until 5 today, so that's where I am. I'm having an early lunch. I brought in a whole big bag of figs from my fig tree at home, so everyone is going crazy. They're like, oh my god, we love figs. So glad someone can get use out of them, because I'm allergic apparently. I've developed an allergic reaction to figs, at least organic ones picked straight off the tree, because I think the sap. I didn't clean the bone very well. I make a mess everywhere, like seriously. And that's Julie's voice in the background. I haven't had soup in ages because it's been too warm weather. But now we're in autumn. So good. From my favourite cafe. I always have latte, 1 sugar. I actually didn't think I was going to be burping that much without the soft drink. Ooh, pardon me. That one came up. Yum. It's a really nice soup. A shout out to my nan for making it for me. Yummy. Well, that was delicious. Hope you've enjoyed some lunch or dinner wherever you are. Thumbs it up, comment down below, give me food requests, and I'll see you all soon in another video. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on social media, and take care until next time. Bye!